Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can merge tables in Microsoft Word. I use three methods. First of all, select this table, right click, table properties, from table, text wrapping, select none. Okay, for this one also, right click, table properties, select none. Okay, there must be no text between the two tables. Now just drag it. Automatically they merge. Now it's one table. If this method doesn't work for you, simply click here, then table layout, insert row below 1 2. For example, I have 2 row. Just select this text, Ctrl C, come to here and paste. Now delete this one, right click and delete table. Okay, another method, select this text, table layout, convert to text, tabs, okay. Again, select this one, table layout, convert to text, okay. Remove the space, select all the text, insert, tables, convert text to table, okay. That's the way to merge tables in Microsoft Word. If this video helped you, please support the channel by liking the video, leave a comment and subscribing. Have a nice day.